Welcome to my room. It's me, C. Welcome to Princess Wednesday TV, and today I'm going to do a room tour 2018. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. So here's my fan, and underneath is my stuff. So I have my lotion, my perfumes, and some books, and some stuff there. And so yeah, the posters, One of a Kind, Be a Unicorn, and Field of Horses, and I'm Not Perfect, Limited Edition, and I am weird. Wonderful, exciting, interesting, real, and different. And I have this painting, these pictures that I drew at my old school. And here are my stairs. So right here I have my journal, prayer journal, my pen, another book, and my lamp because I like to read next to the stairs. And then my stairs go up, and let's go up there. Okay, so we're up here, and pretty empty up here. It's basically for storage, so like, yeah, I don't really sleep up here anymore. I would sometimes, but not often. Here we are, the wonderful place of the bed. So I have my blanket, my animals, and my bed, and some stuff I put up here. This is really cute. I got it at JCPenney's. I forgot how much, but it's like a little thing, rose gold thing. It does light up. Little snacks. I put it up. So yeah, picture of a unicorn, Mickey Mouse, Eeyore, and Pooh, and some other stuff I might put up there. Then we come to my desk, my computer, you know, random stuff. I put this pillowcase over here because to make it look prettier, you know. Then here's my back drawer. I actually put my clothes in these drawers. This is a really nice bunk bed. It comes with stairs, cases, and drawers to put your clothes in. So yeah, and this is my wall thing, decoration, free spirit. My guitar is really pretty, decorated that myself. My little horse, and my dustpan and broom. I have a map of the world, and these are all the states I've been to, because once we have to drive all the way to New York, and it was a lot. So yeah, we've been to Georgia too. I just had to take that one off. So I'll wait there. And I did get this cute compartment thing. It is, I had to build it though. It took a lot of time, hard work. I managed to build it. It's really nice. It rolls. Here's my trash can, my little thing to hold stuff, my board, hashtag C Squad, hashtag Royals. And the Murph Show place is where I filmed the Murph Show. And I still have that thing up from Mr. Spooky's haunted house for Halloween. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a small room. This is my room. So yeah. I also have this New York thingy and pictures of Twin Towers. Yeah, I put this up here because my school does this thing every year where we bake cookies, and I do not want to forget, so I have these hot cocoa cookies here. I've had it for a year now. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and comment hashtag C Squad, hashtag Royals in the comments to be part of my squad and to get a notification. So love you all. Mwah. Bye. We love the C fam.